Yeah, this is Living Word Church. They're helping out with the relief food for the Grulla and neighboring towns that are underwater. I come and pick up my free food. What's up, man? Nada. Aquí nomás tomando video. Tomando video. Hey, do we have to get off?
Yeah.
We do? Wow.
You have to sign your name.
Well, you guys are coming out in YouTube.
No, hombre.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh my gosh.
Well, it's for the church, you know, everybody sees the videos.
Es todo, es todo.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Bájale, bájale.
Okay. Do I fit through here?
Come around this way.
Do I have to get off or what?
Yeah.
Alright. I don't need the food, but I'll just donate it to somebody that needs it.
This lady is the one that get everything.
Relief food, relief. Where's the food? Let me take video inside. Ahorita vengo.
You want to sign it?
Where do I sign? I'll sign later. ¿Dónde viene? Where does the food come from? Where does it come from? Okay.
Tiene 2 galones de agua.
Llévate los galones. Llévate los 2 galones.
Thank you, Brother Victor.
How you doing?
Okay.
Doing good.
I'll take them.
Tomando video.
You guys still over there at Rob's?
Nah, I'm at my sister Ruth, basically, so
Aquí le damos esto.
taking video.
I'll wait.
So we got a lot of food here. Look at all those bags.
One and one.
Giving to the community.
One and one.
And we got more people coming.
Doesn't even matter.